What is classifying or humping a train? To me, the easiest way to explain it is a classification yard, we're just like the post office, but instead of sorting mail, we're sorting rail cars.
Wow.
Because these 25 trains that come in to be classified, when these trains arrive in Galesburg, those cars are in no specific order according to destination. They need to be distributed all across the United States. So instead of sorting mail, we're sorting rail cars. Well, after an inbound train comes in and parks on the receiving yard, the conductor will go out and detach the locomotives from the train, and they'll take their locomotives to the building in front and to our left, and that's the diesel shop service area. This is basically the big truck stop for locomotives. We have 2 service bay tracks. They'll pull the locomotives up on one of the service bay tracks. They'll fill them full of fuel. They'll check all the lubricants, moving parts, clean out the cabs, and get them ready for their next trip. Right now, just to handle the freight traffic that originates out of the Galesburg yard, we have 450 locomotives assigned to Galesburg. These new locomotives, they weigh about 430,000 pounds. They have a fuel capacity up to 5,000 gallons, and they generate up to 4,500 horsepower. Last year, just fueling the locomotives used out of Galesburg, we fueled 30 million gallons of diesel fuel just out of Galesburg. The BNSF is the second largest consumer of diesel fuel in the United States. The United States Navy is the only outfit that uses more diesel fuel than we do. We're going to put all the Chicago cars down track 1, the Omaha cars down track 22, Kansas City cars down track 25, and that's how it works. This humping yard, this classification yard, is a fully automated yard.
So would all these be going to the same?
Yeah, what they're doing, they just coupled up that track and they're going to shove it down and tie it on to another string of cars. I'll wait for this engine noise to get by. I gotta save some voice for tomorrow. Right now I'm just pony, I'm a little horse. Tomorrow I'll be full-fledged horse. Like I said, now these are a set of our Illinois University in Macomb and the college in Quincy. So those are the 2 short trips. The other long ones are some California that are and the other one is going to run from Chicago to San Francisco.
together the road.